Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be reviewing a toddler product for you all. Now, if you've been around here for a little bit, you know how much I love to do themed morning baskets for my kids, and now that my toddler is starting to get more enthused with what we're doing and just wanting to be a part of it all, I'm trying to work some different things into our morning basket for him, like little activities and books and things like that. And so Timberdoodle sent me this fun baby sign language flashcard set that I plan on using with him. Now, one of the reasons why I'm using it, because you can use this with babies or toddlers, is because we're having a little bit of speech issues where he says words, but he doesn't always say them clearly. So sometimes there's a struggle of, what are you saying? I'm trying to give it to you. And then he's getting frustrated. So I thought if we started working in some baby sign language, then that would help kind of bridge the gap that we're currently experiencing until we can get him into some therapies. And so I'm going to turn around the camera and I'm going to do a flip through and show you what is all in this set and what you can expect from it. Alright you guys, so here is the set. It comes in a pretty sturdy box, which is nice. You don't have to worry about where you're going to store them. And then as you open up the pack, it gives you this little welcome guide that tells you just like a little welcome, and then what is baby sign language, why do cards make such good teaching tools, some of the things that you should know about using the flashcards for signing, and then a quick start guide for signing with babies and some tips to help you and baby get the most out of the flashcard activities. Next are the cards. Now there are 50 cards in this pack, and each one will give you a picture of the object and the name on one side, and then on the opposite side it will give you the hand motion to make and whatever direction to go in, and then it'll give you a little description of how to do it down there. Now, at the time of filming, these cards are $28.50 on Timberdoodle's website, and I will link this product down below in the description bar in case you would like to check it out. Another nice thing about these cards are they are laminated, which is so wonderful when you're working with babies and toddlers because they're not going to be like easily ripped, and that's always something that I look for whenever I'm getting anything for my toddler, you guys, because who wants to just waste money to have it ripped apart the minute you bring it home? that is everything that the flashcard set contains. I hope that it was helpful to see inside in case this is something that you're interested in teaching your baby or your toddler. I think it'll be a fun addition into our morning baskets. But if you're interested in checking this out, I will link it down below on Timberdoodle's site. So make sure you go and check it out and see if this is something that interests you. If you've ever used sign language with your baby or toddler, let me know how that went down below. I would love to hear how that worked out for you and if you used anything in particular. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you again later. Bye.